Hey, what's up, DigiByte coin holders? What's going on this time? You can see here in the last 24-hour DigiByte price will pumps up, but definitely you can see after a really huge fail. So minus 3.06% the price is decreasing. But remember to after a fail, every coin will wake up. So just only as you can see here in the last 3 days, they will take a very huge jump, but after this jump, they will fail down. So don't worry, my friends, I am 100% within upcoming time. Also, they will take a very huge jump because in last 10 days of every month, every coin will get a very huge pump. And I am 100% sure with upcoming times, DigiByte price for more increasing. So 4.47% in last 3 days, my friends, they will get a profit. Definitely, it's not a short pump. Absolutely, it's really huge pump. But don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, this time never fades around. So the circulation, you will see, my friend, the market cap, the circulation supply, everything is going very badly fades down. But don't worry, my friend. I hope when the market cap is starting increasing, then absolutely the price will get a very my friend, take a very huge change now. So therefore, my friend, I hope in upcoming time the DigiByte price will be increasing. But in last 3 days, the total average is going good. But in last 24 hours, they were fails down in the market cap is decreased for a short time. So therefore, I hope my friends they will recover this all loss and they will get a very good profit in upcoming days. But for that, you will need, my friends, to starting investing. And for people who are starting investing in, my friends, DigiByte, it's 100% true, my friend. To upcoming time, they will wake up and they will get a very good profit. But if a holder are starting selling, then remember, my viewers, my subscribers, they will never get a profit and they will very badly fails down for a short time. So hope you understand my all DigiByte coin holders. Please like video. If you interest on my videos, please like video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type videos.